The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dear children, welcome back to the English class. How are you all? I hope you all are very happy, healthy and safe. Let's begin our class. In our last class, we learned about a very genius and intelligent scientist, Nikola Tesla. Where did he get his scientific curiosity from? His mother. His mother was very intelligent as well. So Nikola Tesla got his scientific curiosity from his mother. He wished to generate electricity through the power of Niagara Falls in the future. One day, he went to New York to work under Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison hired him instantly, since he understood the knowledge and the intelligence of Nikola Tesla. So, Nikola Tesla worked very hard under Edison. He improved many inventions that Thomas Edison had already invented. One day, Thomas Edison asked Nikola Tesla to improve his direct current system. Nikola Tesla started working on it. Soon, he built alternating current system, which was a very improvised version of direct current system. And Thomas Edison had promised Nikola Tesla that if he would discover another version, another improvised version of direct current system, he would pay him $50,000. And when Nikola Tesla built the alternating current system and asked for the reward to Thomas Edison, he denied. He said, "I never asked you to build another alternating current system. I just asked you to improve the direct current system." And here the controversies start. Thomas Edison said that the alternating current system is very dangerous. So Nikola Tesla put forth a very genuine statement that your DC current system is very weak and expensive. It's very true. Compared to AC, alternating current system, the DC which Thomas Edison had discovered was very weak and expensive as well. But the thing which Nikola Tesla discovered, that is alternating current system, is very powerful and cheap. After having problems within themselves, Nikola Tesla left Edison's company and started working on the alternating current system, and it became very popular. Now let's see what happens next. All of you take studio page number 51. Here 14th para. The AC system should be banned. It can kill people. Who is that? Who is telling this? Yes, it is Thomas Edison. Edison tried to turn people against Tesla's system, but it didn't work. The AC model started being used widely and is used today to supply electricity. After Thomas Edison gave a public statement that the alternating current system is very dangerous and it is of no use, still people started using it very widely, and even it is used today to supply electricity. Now take page number 52, 15th one. See, perfectly safe. Tesla fought back. He showed that AC was safe by allowing electricity to run through his body to light up a lamp. So, Tesla didn't give up. He fought back. He showed people that how good alternating current system is, and he had to show people that it is not dangerous. So what he did is he allowed electricity to pass through his body to light up a lamp, as you can see in the picture. And he showed people that AC is not dangerous. 16th one. At last, Tesla's childhood dream came true. He used his AC model to build a power plant at Niagara Falls. 17th one. Tesla's next brilliant invention was the Tesla coil. So after building alternating current system, he built Tesla coil. 18th one. This could light up bulbs without wires. So the Tesla coil could light up bulbs without wires. The Tesla coil formed the basis for today's wireless technology. This means that gadgets can be powered up without using wires. So as you can see, today's wireless technology, it is said that Nikola Tesla's invention of Tesla coil was the basis for today's wireless technology. The wireless technology and devices we are using today is only because of Nikola Tesla. Since he built the Tesla coil, everyone got the idea of wireless technology. 20th, there were more brilliant inventions from Tesla, but he did not get credit for many of them: the radio, the X-ray, the radar, and even robotics. So there were many inventions from Tesla's side for which he did not get credit for. Devices like the radio, X-ray, the radar, and even robotics were the inventions of Nikola Tesla, but no one recognized it and Nikola Tesla did not get credit for it. 21 in page number 53. Hey, those look familiar. Other scientists based their inventions on his ideas. So they became the inventors of those things. So many scientists got attracted from Nikola Tesla's ideas. So they based their inventions on that, and they started stealing the ideas of Tesla and they invented many things out of it. So as the idea was of Nikola Tesla, but these scientists became the inventors of many other things, but the idea was of Nikola Tesla. 22. I don't care that they stole my ideas. I care that they didn't have one of their own. So Nikola Tesla is saying that I don't care that they stole my ideas. I care that they don't have their own ideas. That's why they stole my ideas. Now 23. In 1901, Tesla set up a huge electrical tower to transmit free electricity to people all over the world. In 1901, Nikola Tesla built up a tower which could generate free electricity for people all around the world. 24. Tesla believed that this tower could even communicate with the outer space. So Tesla believed that this tower could also communicate with the outer space. 25. However, the project failed. Tesla was deeply disappointed. So as he thought that it could connect with the outer space, but it did not happen and Tesla was deeply disappointed. 26. Tesla was a genius. It is said that he could memorize entire books, speak 8 languages, and build machines straight from his imagination without writing anything down. So it is believed that Tesla was very intelligent because he could memorize an entire book. He knew 8 languages. He could straightly build something from his imagination without even writing in the book. So it is believed that Tesla was very intelligent. 27th, Nikola Tesla died at the age of 86. Although he may not be remembered as the inventor of many things we use today, he is still the man who lit up the world. So Nikola Tesla died at the age of 86. Although he may not be remembered as the inventor of many things that we use today, because his ideas were stolen from other scientists and they invented things. So he might not get credit for what he did, but he is still the man who lit up the world. He is the man who brought light into our world. So that was an interesting lesson about a very intelligent and genius scientist, Nikola Tesla. So children, what message did you get from this story? That you should never give up. Nikola Tesla had many barriers, he had many obstacles on his way, still he fought back and he did what he had to. And he is the person who lit up our world. So children, you will also get many obstacles and troubles on your way to success, but you have to fight back. That's all for today. We'll meet very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.